For today's safety talk, we're going to be going over some items in the shop that may get missed on your general inspections, annual and quarterly shop inspections. We are now going to be inspecting our aerial lift harnesses. Some points of items that you're going to want to watch on these is all of your stitching, any type of connection that's going to be holding you in. You're going to be checking your carabiner, checking there's no inconsistencies in the metal, checking your tractor, that it engages properly, checking your hook, making sure that it's in working order, checking your bracing, making sure it's intact, it's not compromised, and again, just all of your stitching throughout. Next point of item is lifting chains. On these, you're going to want to make sure that there's no breaks in the linkage on them. Make sure that you have good clasps, make sure those are in working order, make sure that none of the hooks are bent or again compromised. And again, on your J-hooks, making sure the welds are intact, there's nothing broke on them, and they appear to be in their original shape. One item that may be commonly missed is stowage of your respirator in a contained bag so as to not have it being activated and filtering outside of when you're intending it to be. Another item that is missed is replacing your filters on a timely schedule. Another important item we all want to hear when we get older: hearing protection is a must for any jobs. Always err on the side of caution. Another lifting item that may get missed is your straps. You want to make sure that these don't have any major frays, tears, anything that's going to compromise their ability to lift as intended. So we all know red is bad. If you ever have a lifting strap that is exposing that red thread you see in there, this lifting strap is now condemned and no longer safe to use. Another point of inspection is anybody in the marine industry is your life vest. Should you fall in and they need to retrieve you or your body downriver, this is what's going to keep you afloat. Things like this are items that need to be inspected. Any fraying or lost stitching, we need to then replace those units. In the hustle and bustle of daily shop life, another item that's easy to miss: broken power cords. Let's avoid fires. Condemn. In the event of a condemned electrical cord, we condemn. Heat handling handwear, also important to inspect so we do not burn ourselves. Another safety item is trip hazards in the workplace: mats, old rags, curled up hoses, power cords, haphazard workspaces. Avoid them to avoid injury.